If you're tired of searching for the best image generation tool among hundreds out there, don't worry. I've spent days experimenting with text-to-image AI tools and discovered the best ones just for you. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best AI tools that can bring your ideas to life, step by step. You'll learn how to use them, what settings work best, and how to get professional results, even if you're just starting out. Let's dive in. 1. Leonardo AI, the professional's playground. If you love control and detail, Leonardo AI is your go-to platform. Head over to app.leonardo.ai and sign in. Now, in the prompt box, try something like a cinematic portrait of a futuristic warrior, glowing armor, soft lighting, ultra-realistic. On the left panel, you'll see several model options. I usually go with Flux Dev under style. Select Creative. It gives a perfect balance between realism and art. In the Dimension option, choose 16:9 or any ratio you prefer. Set the number of images to 4 and leave the other settings as they are. Hit Generate, and within seconds, you'll see results that look like they came straight from a concept artist's portfolio. 2. ImageFX by Google Labs. Simple and smart. Next up is ImageFX. Available at labs.google FX Tools, ImageFX. It's super beginner-friendly. Clean interface, no clutter, no confusion. Just type a prompt like, a peaceful forest glowing under golden sunlight. Ultra-detailed cinematic feel. Click Generate. And within seconds, you'll get 4 polished image options. The best part? You can even generate icons. Just give a clear prompt like, a clean, minimal camera icon with a glow effect. Perfect for YouTube thumbnails, storytelling visuals, or quick creative experiments. 3. NanoBanana. Watch your idea come to life now for something fun and creative. Give NanoBanana a go. Try something like a tiny astronaut sitting on a glowing banana floating through space. You can even modify the generated picture, such as make a tiny astronaut sitting on a glowing banana floating inside a spacecraft. It's playful and perfect for brainstorming or visual storytelling, ideal for creating consistent characters. And here's a little secret. The avatar you're seeing in the video was generated using NanoBanana. 4. Ideogram. Perfect for text inside images now. If you've ever tried adding text in AI images, you know most tools completely mess it up. But Ideogram gets it right. Go to ideogram.ai and type a prompt like a neon poster that says dream big, glowing letters, dark background, cyberpunk vibe. Ideogram spells the text correctly inside the image and makes it look stylish. You can also choose typography or poster style for the best results. It's perfect for YouTube thumbnails, quote posts, or branding visuals. Personally, I love using it for motivational designs. It nails the words every time. 5. Microsoft Copilot Image Creator. Reliable and powerful finally. Let's look at Microsoft Copilot Image Creator. Head to copilot.microsoft.com and in the chat box, type something like, create an image of a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and glowing lights. Copilot uses DALL-E 3, so you'll get detailed, high-quality visuals, fast. You can even say things like, make it more realistic, or change lighting tonight, and it'll instantly update your image. The best part? You can research, chat, and generate images all in one place. Perfect for multitaskers, writers, video editors, or creators who need visuals while planning projects. So there you have it, the top 5 text-to-image AI tools you need to try. Leonardo AI, ImageFX, NanoBanana, Ideogram, Microsoft Copilot. Each one brings its own magic, from cinematic realism to bold typography to experimental creativity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Shakil AI Hub for more hands-on AI tutorials and creative tool breakdowns. Comment below and tell me which AI tool impressed you the most, and I might feature your pick in the next video. See you in the next one, and keep creating with AI.